Hi guys!
Hello guys!
Welcome on today's webinar, which is going to be a sales webinar about fever detection system. This is Barbara.
And this is Dominika, and together we are going to lead you through it. I hope you will enjoy.
So, let's do it! Hey!
Agenda. Company introduction. Why ALIS Tech? Why fever detection system? How fever detection system does it? What is the fever detection system? And frequently asked questions. ALIS Tech is a development company based in the Czech Republic in Brno. We are pioneers in unique solutions in safety and automatization within industrial sectors. Our leading products are innovative solutions such as ALIS visualization, anti-collision system, or real-time location system. Besides that, we expanded our portfolio with new products such as social distancing tool and fever detection system, which we are going to introduce more closely today.
Okay, Domcha, and why Alice? Why not somebody else?
First, I will speak about the team, about the engine. We are responsible, we are open people, we are here to support you all the time. But what I see as the biggest added value is that we know we are ready to listen any kind of feedback. And that is something that we actually listening, processing that, and that's how we are all moving together to the same target.
It's good to hear that you have strong team fundamentals, but why Alice from the solution point of view?
First of all, we are driven by innovations and continuous improvement. We know that in today's world this is like a necessary part to be in, so we are always trying to be 3 steps ahead. Secondly, what is important, we are developers. We are the people who build the solution, and therefore we have the chance to customize, combine different kind of technologies, because in nowadays companies are very straight focused only in one solution. But what we're trying to do here, we are trying to offer to the customer the complexity, the complex solution under one roof with us.
Can you give us any latest example?
For sure. So in response to the epidemiological situation, we just started in April 2020, we reacted fast. We expanded our portfolio for solutions which helps you to prevent and eliminate the risk, but also minimize the bad impact on the business. We not only support the end users, but also the partners. We proved our flexibility, stability, and not again only for them, but also internally for the team, that we know that the company is able to act fast and support them.
Okay, Domcha, what about we play a little game?
Okay.
Let's imagine that I am the decision maker of a company, and why should I buy the fever detection system for my business?
Because the fever detection system will sustain a safe and therefore an effective working environment for your employees. They will feel comfortable between each other, and also they will know that you've taken the necessary precautions to prevent and eliminate the risk.
And how do I ensure that the working environment will be safe?
One of the main symptoms of infection is temperature. And if you install a fever detection system, you are able to check the temperature on a daily basis of your employees or people entering the workplace. That's the prevention that anyone of the environment you work in would have any kind of infection. So I believe this is the psychological point of view for the employees, that they feel actually much more safer.
And therefore you can believe that the people around you are healthy and they feel good.
Exactly. This is something that should not affect the effectivity of your employees.
What is actually the fever detection system?
Well, let's check it out. fever detection system, screening device for human body temperature measurement with an optoacoustic signalization, a quick evaluation of the current temperature status of each individual within 3 seconds. The unit is contactless and autonomous, and it measures within the accuracy of 0.3 degrees Celsius. The unit should be installed in the room with an air conditioning to ensure a stable temperature during its usage. Part of the solution is the user interface, where the customer can choose an optional setting. So let's look at them. Alarm management. If a higher temperature is detected, the unit sends a report to the desired email addresses, optionally with or without the picture of the measured person. Daily statistics. Each midnight, a summary is sent to desired email addresses containing numbers of scanned people. The statistic provides a report of normal and higher temperature detections. Customization options. In case of connection with the customer's internal access control system or any other, please get in touch. The system is suitable for one-by-one measurement. A person walks in front of the fever detection system to a required distance. The system detects a face thanks to a neural network. Then it finds 10 of the hottest spots on the upper part of the face. After, it evaluates the temperature. Our system uses 2 cameras. RGB camera for taking pictures only if the option of alarm management is active and if a higher temperature is detected. And the second camera is the thermal camera for the temperature measurement. We use conventional products and develop sophisticated software to create the final unit.
Who would you recommend to be the customer target group?
Any kind of company or department where employees need to be personally present. For instance, production, warehouses, logistics, but also stores, police stations, and many others.
Can the fever detection system be used outside?
No, this is only for the indoor use, because the fever detection system needs to have a stable light and temperature conditions to measure correctly. This wouldn't be possible outdoor.
Can you hide the temperature digits?
Yes, you can. In the customer interface, you are able to change it for text. However, the digits are important when you do the setting of the unit in the new environment.
Can you switch off the optoacoustic signalization, the beam?
By default, the optoacoustic signalization is active. You are able to change the volume of the sound. We can deactivate this function if specified when ordered.
When the system is ready to use, do you need a person who will assist it?
No. Person is necessary only when you do the installation and setting. Then it becomes fully autonomous until you decide to change the environmental conditions.
What can affect the measurement?
For example, when a person comes straight from outside where the temperature was very different from the inside, the temperature can be affected.
Could you tell me more about it?
Sure. We know that a person needs about 10 minutes to get back to his standard temperature. However, if the person has higher temperature, it gets back faster and therefore he should be detected.
Can I take measurement with a face mask?
Certainly you can. Only restrictions are any kind of glasses and hair in the upper part of the face. Based on the evaluation from the 10 hottest points in the face, it would affect the measurement accuracy.
How difficult is the installation?
Here depends on the environmental conditions. Simply put, you need to select a suitable place, plug it into the power, and do the manual setting of the unit. Then it's fully functional.
What about GDPR?
Either this can be sorted with a signature in the HR department of the company, or you can deactivate the photo function when higher temperature is detected.